Hey, good morning, everybody. Dr. A, oh my goodness, we are back at the California Spring Trials. We are already having a ball, and we just got started. We're at one of the wonderful breeders, Danziger from Israel, and they always have marvelous things, but not only marvelous plants, as you can see around us, but marvelous concepts. I'm sitting with Marissa here, who is a gardener. She loves this stuff. And Marissa, tell me, we're on here on our patio on the 14th floor. We don't have a whole lot of room for anything.
No, we don't.
But we have room for some of these small, when I say small, compact plants that we're just going to enjoy all season. So what do you think of this?
I love this. It's bringing a ton of color, but it's also following the trend of vintage muted tones, which we're seeing a lot of right now and a lot of want for that. I mean, you have this over here, this dusty bluish purple. It's so pretty. And this inked petunia as well is getting a lot of color and can fit in with a ton of combinations. But I think this is doing something great for the home gardener, especially as space constraints are limited and we don't have a lot of room to grow things.
I told you she was a gardener. You're still going to stop talking about these wonderful plants.
Exactly.
But the fact is, what we're looking at is the beautiful plants, for sure. But the concept that we can sit in our patio
Enjoy the
and still enjoy our garden.
Yes.
And what we have to get through our mulking brains at times in this industry is we don't all have 6-acre gardens. We don't all have 10-acre greenhouses. Many of us have a patio if we're lucky. And putting plants like this out, which Danziger is doing, I think is outstanding.
It is.
So why don't you just point out your favorite right now? There we go.
Over here. And then I also like this with ocean blue salvia. I think this is gorgeous. I would say those are my favorite over here.
We're gonna finish up on this. We're gonna finish up on this with this diasha. The cool thing about having a small place too is maybe we can bring some fragrance in. And diasha is a fragrant plant. Not everybody can grow it. Not everybody does a fabulous time with it. Who cares? Bring it in. Bring some fragrance. Bring your garden indoors, and yeah, let's garden on the 14th floor.
Yes, let's garden on the 14th floor.